Well, hi friends. Let's talk about the markets here. A couple of points about the Nifty, and then I'm going to talk about the Bank Nifty. Nifty support resistance stays the same, 9840. Support on the downside at present. We are not seeing any sort of panic, but just keep that level in your mind. On the upper side, 9950, but that is just because the markets are moving around that point. We're going to talk about 10,080 now as a resistance point here. So 10,080, if the markets are actually breaking on the higher side, because the Asian futures are indicating for a strong positive start. So you might see Nifty futures basically trading about 10,000. So the question here is that if Nifty spot is able to actually close across 9 and 5 to 10,000 area, then basically it goes straight to 10,080. So my resistance would be on the Nifty spot. And then again, how the large caps looking? The market practice was not that assuring, was not that good on Friday. So my focus actually then goes to mid caps. So the strategy would be that focus more on mid caps, which are on the verge of a breakout, the upside breakout. Now that's actually looking good and much more safer. So if the large caps tell you that the market breadth is improving, that the volumes are supporting, then you can actually make a conviction trade in the large caps. Investment or trade, whatever you call, whatever you want to do. Small caps, I think it's not the space you should be venturing into. In my book, I think that's giving a sign of caution. Again, at present, looking very tired, so perhaps it's much more safer. I always look for a margin of safety, and I think it's much more safer in the mid caps right now. Now the question comes is, because there is no major sector leadership this time, I'm not telling you any sectoral trend here, and it has to be a very choosy stock trade today. So actually the question comes is, which are the stocks which we are liking? Now first of all, IT stocks actually are nearing key support levels. So if you are shorting IT stocks, please be very careful. There is one area where perhaps the stock could start actually reacting on the upside if there is any sort of support levels which are going to be touched today or tomorrow. Second is metal stocks. Be cautious because metal prices have fallen in the Friday's trade in the international market. So yeah, there could be some profit booking in metal stocks, or they could trade soft. In terms of the stocks, Tata Chemicals, Tata Global, both Tata stocks. Tata Global has been doing good accumulation, restructuring going on. Tata Chemicals again, product prices are moving up. Very strong hands actually are picking up the stock. Watch out for that stock. Perhaps that's actually going to give some sort of good upward move here. Indraprastha Gas Limited, good accumulation seen there. Kaveri Seeds again, some sort of good restructuring, good product demand basically being seen there. Good accumulation. Textile names, Page Industries, Arvind, and then again these two stocks basically showed very good accumulation. So watch out for Arvind and Page Industries both. Battery makers, you can attribute different sort of reasons, electric cars and all those. Then nothing happens in 1 year, but still, because you actually see the initial signs of capability, people start venturing into that stock. So again, Exide Industries, some sort of Amaraja also, but I saw Exide basically looking much stronger. So Exide Industries actually looking quite good. IFL Holdings, the next one. From the NBFC pack, I'm saying like NBFCs are looking red hot, Bajaj Finance and everything, but then IFL Holdings basically just basically started to show some good signs of accumulation. So again, that is also looking good. Overall, I'm feeling quite comfortable in the NBFCs. The NBFCs in large basically are showing very good secular uptrend. So perhaps there is one area, one pocket which can actually continue its outperformance. There would be some good macro pointers coming on this week, like CPI, WPI, and everything, IIP. So perhaps those could start swaying markets. But broadly, keeping it very simple, if you're making a strategy, mid caps is a place. If the markets are able to break out, close about 10,000, which cannot happen without Reliance Industries or without banks. So perhaps if that improves, that happens, then I think large caps will also rally. For today, my conclusive word: mid caps are the safer, the place to trade, place to buy or invest. As per the trend today, as per the trend of the last 2 days, and also for Nifty, Bank Nifty, be very cautious. Small caps be very cautious, and Nifty, the last would be 9840, 10,080. Thank you.